I know you heard these other rappers, but you ain't heard nothing like this one. This is 4K music.
To create a 2 weeks calendar of my MBA program, but before that I have done the day 1 to day 5. You can see it, day 1 MBA program, then it's 5 tasks, email management, administrative tasks, etc. And then day 2 also here, project management and CRM management. Day 3 online bookkeeping, social media for business. Day 4 website management, search engine. And also at day 5 also maybe we're going to have an event also for day 6, for day 6 MBA program. And then so had time, maybe all the time, find time, all day. Syempre, so day I only make a description, so I copy paste my, and so this is my day 6. Then I change the color because my MBA program has color yellow. And then you can also use there add Google Meet if you have a video conferencing, and you can also add guest, or if you have someone have a guest. You can also add a location, also add an attachment, so save it. Then also day 7. Day 7. And times maybe it's that time color yellow, and then description. So for day 7 I have creating the resume, and then so this is for my day 7 all day. And then it's color yellow. Please disable add notification, and add the notification, and save it. Oh wait, can edit here. And if you want to add, yes, here. Save. So for the last one, the last day, you're gonna create day 10, I did 10, MBA program. And then description or attachment, maybe I only have okay, so this is the last day of what we're going to do for MBA program. Then change the color here, add notification, add time, of course all day, and then you can add here, same. So this is my 2 weeks of MBA program. So if you want to see a week, maybe so these are and the next days here. So this was it. Going to calendar management. So we're gonna find the calendar here at Gmail. Then we're gonna create an event, appointment for live coaching. So you can see our my calendar. You can see the calendar here. We're going to have create an event, and for appointment for live coaching. So in order you to do appointment, an event, we will go here and click here event, but I have an event already here for appointment for live coaching. So I'll leave it here. You can see you can add an name here, and maybe if your coaching time date, and then you can see here you can also add an Google Meet or Zoom link, and you can change the color there. Also you can see here introduction, description of your coach live coaching. Then we can open our documents. So what are the live coaching about. I'm gonna open. So you can see here, and you can use the tools of sorting. And tools. So you can add tools here, then speak click, and you can click here and allow the microphone. So it's all about. Then so we're going back to so you can see here, you can add an guest. This of whoever you want, you can add an notes here. Additional, you can add an additional. Then this is, you can see all about. So if you want to add tasks, you can here modify, create, so no one action. Same here, you can edit as what you want. Then save it. So that you have an live coaching. See here. And then you're going to have and create an appointment set up for discovery call. So event, you create an event. I haven't tried one already appointment set up for discovery. So we care. Then you can see here, you can write that one 202 and baby coaching. You can put here how long should be each appointment class. If you want to repeat weekly or just for one day, you can click here. So Sunday to Friday, you can change also the time if you want. And then here you can change the time zone if where your clients where's your clients. So and then you can change here. Book appointments will appear on your calendar. Colors. Then if after you done here, you can next there. Then you can see booking page, photo and name, see how your identity is on your page. And then location. Select how and where we meet. Maybe Google Meet, in person, phone, maybe here. Then we can add there an Google Meet or Google Meet will be the link of Google Meet. Then the description of your coaching, live coaching. Then booking form. You can want the first name, surname, email, phone, if it's graduates. You can add also whatever you want, like here, like phone number, surname, or anything that you want. And then after that, and then save it. Then you will see here. So this is all about. So that's all. If you want to add an task, it's also here. Task, appointment, schedule event, task. What we want to have a description. So for the example, assign. Then you can add here description, for example, let's only then okay, so the task was here. You can check here if we end the task.
I know you heard